Hey everybody, thanks for tuning back in. I'm Nick, also known as Ososik, and in today's video, it's all about the Raptor's engine bay. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit dirty again, but I've been cleaning the exterior. And well, when you go off-roading, you kind of have to remember to sometimes clean the engine bay. Look at this. Talk about neglect. This thing is dirty. Now, if you're just tuning in, I bought this Raptor used. It's the V8, so it's a 6.2 liter. You could kind of see it right there. And just like any used vehicle, you always want to double check everything. You know, just check out the fluids. Thankfully, the guys over at JBA Motors, they always do a multi-point inspection, so everything was good. But I have been putting miles on this thing, so I am almost due for an oil change. I got my Torco fluids lined up. So I'll definitely be, for the Raptor, I'll actually be using the SR1R. The SR5R is for my Civic, so it's a really, really good stuff. That's for the race car. And then when I do the oil change, I'm honestly probably going to just do the transfer case, transmission, rear diff, etc., etc. So I'm going to be taking care of that. And another important thing to look at if you are purchasing a used vehicle is any of the filters. The air filter, cabin air filter. As you can see, this thing hasn't been cleaned in a while, and it doesn't help that I've been going off-roading. So I'll definitely be showing you guys how to take this apart and clean this. This is a Roush intake. The other good reason on why you would want to keep a clean engine bay is because you'll definitely start getting leaks and things will eventually start breaking. So if you have a clean, spotless car, you'll definitely know where and if it's leaking. So it's always good to keep your car clean. I should probably take my advice a little more often. Here's a skid plate. I took that off just so that everything runs down when I start washing it. My choice of degreaser. Probably gonna need more than that. And I got my pressure washer machine right here. Hopefully I don't mess anything up. Alright, here goes nothing. So there's a different couple ways to take off the Roush air filter from the Raptor. So there's two bolts here, and then there's a clip here and a clip back there. And that should be able to lift this off. Obviously you'll take off the sensor, then this clamp right here. But I'm not AEC certified, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off right here and squeeze my way through. I don't think you need to take off the entire thing. If you wanted to, that's how you do it. Alright, got this loosened up, the flathead. So I got myself some Torco foam filter oil. Those of you who aren't familiar with Torco products, They make anything from engine oils to brake cleaners, chain lube, shock fluid, pretty much everything lubrication. As you can see, it says Torco Advanced Lubricants. So with the foam filter oil and maximize airflow, waterproof formula, easy to apply, easy to clean. As you can see, it's very easy to apply. And pretty much just keeps filters like new. Just gonna apply a little coat of the Torco foam filter oil. All right, now that I applied the oil inside and out, ready to put this thing back in. Honestly, I'll probably end up getting a new one pretty soon, but this should make a big difference. All right, and there it is. I got the clamp tied down, got the freshly cleaned Roush filter in place, and I applied the Torco foam filter oil, so we should be good to go. And look at that. I mean, it's not spotless, but it's definitely a lot cleaner under the entire engine bay. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe and stay tuned.